Founded in 2017, Binance is the largest exchange in the world in terms of trading volume of cryptocurrency. Binance also has its own blockchain-based token, which is Binance Coin BNB. The exchange also have supporting services for users to earn interest and make transactions using cryptocurrencies. Besides, it also offer a program for miners and help traders to make investment decisions. So if you're a new trader and interested in this exchange, this video is for you because in this video, we're going to show you how to create your own account and enable KYC in this exchange. Besides, just by clicking on the referral link or using our referral code in the description below, you can get 20% off all trading fees. Now let's start by creating your own account on Binance. If you haven't got the Binance applications, just go to the App Store to download it. And then open the app. Here is where you're gonna choose your country, so just choose yours and then tap confirm. And now tap on create personal account. And now please enter your account details. First, fill in your emails and then your password. Make sure that your password is strong enough. For the referral code, you can use our referral code or just simply register by clicking on the referral link we leave in the description below. And then you can get 20% off all trading fees. Here I will fill in our referral code and agree to receive emails updates from Binance, and then tap next. Now you need to complete the puzzles for security verifications. And then you will receive an email that contains the code for verifications. So just go to your email box and get the code, paste it back and tap submit to go to the next step of verifications. Now, in order to complete the phone verifications, first you need to fill in your phone number and then tap send code. You will receive a code via your phone number, so just type it in here and then tap submit. You have just created your account and verified your phone number. So now comes to the identity verifications. Basically, you need to fill in your personal information, including nationalities and your national ID. Also your full name and your date of birth. Similar to the additional information. And now tap continue. So what you need to do is choose a type of document you use for the identity verifications. Here I would choose ID card. So the app will require you to take the front and back photo of your ID card. Just follow the step that I did on my screen. Now you need to take a selfie. Don't worry because the app just want to confirm that you are the owner of your ID card. And then tap continue. And there is one more step, that is face authentications. Tap on start verifications. And then you just need to follow the instruction on the screen. After that, just go out and log in one more time. For the security verifications, you need to take the SMS code via your phone number. Type it in here and tap submit. Now you have just successfully logged in your account and see the interface and features of Binance Exchange. Now go to your account and tap on the security sections. And you can see that I have complete the SMS and email verifications. There's one more thing that is Google authentication. So just tap on it. And if you haven't got the Google Authentications applications, just go to the App Store to download it. And if you already have one, just follow the step that I did on screen. So there will be a quick tutorial here. So what you're seeing now is the private key for your Google Authentications. So just copy the key and go to the Google Authenticator app. Now choose enter a setup key and then fill in your account detail. Here I will choose a name for my account and then I will paste the private key that I have just copied from Binance app here and then tap add. Now go back to the Binance applications. Tap bind to go to the next step. Now you need to take the email and SMS code. And then go to the Google Authenticator to copy the code and paste it back here. And then tap submit. And you're just done with the Google Authenticator verifications. Now you can start trading and making transactions on Binance Exchange. If you are looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto changes, please check out the links down below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Kayak Master, and also turn on the notification bells for more tutorials. We still have a lot of bonuses and promos that we can't wait to share with you guys. See you in the next video.